In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use icons in Coda's main column. Whether you're new to Coda or just looking to personalize your workspaces, this tutorial will guide you through incorporating emojis into your Coda documents to make them more vibrant and user-friendly. First, you'll want to start by visiting Coda, your all-in-one collaborative workspace. If you're not already familiar, Coda is a versatile platform where you can manage documents, projects, and more, all in one cohesive space. Once you're on the Coda homepage, click on the Get Started button to initiate the process. Should you already be signed in, this will take you straight to your workspace. If not, you'll be prompted to log in. Next, you'll have the option to sign in using various methods. A convenient option is to click on Google to use your Google account for access. This is a quick way to get into Coda, especially if your browser has your login information saved. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Go ahead and open the document you'd like to work on. If it's a new doc, feel free to create one. Now locate either a column or cell where you plan to add an emoji. This could be part of a to-do list or any table where you'd like to introduce a visual cue with an icon. Here's where the customization kicks in. When you're ready to add an emoji, type in hot emoji. This command will trigger an emoji selection menu. Browse through the list and choose an emoji that best fits the context of your entry. You can repeat this step if you want to add different emojis in various locations within your document. After you've selected your emoji, you might want to use it as a header icon for a column to visually distinguish sections. Type in emoji again, click to select from the list, and then right-click on your chosen emoji to copy it. Now head to the column header where you'd like to place your icon. Right-click and paste the emoji directly into the column header. By doing this, you make your document not only more appealing, but also more organized, as the icons can provide an instant visual reference for the data that follows. And there you have it, you've successfully added an emoji to your Coda document. Incorporating icons like these can make navigating your workspace intuitive and enjoyable. Experiment with different emojis to find the perfect fit for your documents and watch how it transforms the way you work. Thanks for tuning in, keep creating, and see you in the next tutorial.